Hello everyone, it's me Milyena and you're watching Milyena TV. For today's video, as you can notice, the audio is not that clear, or maybe not that it cannot be heard properly because I didn't use any microphone. So, walang microphone dyan. So, may microphone here. Nandito. This is a very long, as you can see, marami pa siyang wire ng microphone. This is a lavalier. Ang brand niya is Boya. Yan. Boya. And the thing is, I bought an adapter because nag-record lang ako sa phone, which is inconvenient. So, I bought this adapter sa Lian Home. Overseas pa siya. It's an audio microphone, USB micro link adapter connector cable wire for GoPro Hero 3 or 4. Yes, otherwise Hero 4. Then this one. You can go here. Ito yung sa gilid. Yan. And then ang kanyang type, ang kanyang female what? Yan is para sa dyan. So I have to insert it. Okay. Test microphone. I will read. Audio microphone, USB mic link adapter, connector, cable wire for GoPro Hero 3 4. Audio microphone, USB mic link adapter, connector, cable wire for GoPro Hero 3 4. So, this is like a review. Kapag sa malayo, like, i-clip ko siya dito. It's so hard. I have to clip it here. Okay. Audio microphone, USB mic link adapter, connector, cable wire for GoPro Hero 3 4. So, the same volume, but as you can hear, there might be background noises. So, hindi siya as high quality kaysa ibang microphone. So, sa microphone lang talaga yan. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.